Oh, what's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today we're gonna be talking about weather again. Like I said, I think I might make 2 videos a day, along this. But starting off here today, we have some showers down here in Miami. Maybe some rain showers, some thunderstorms could be possible rolling through that area today. And then we might be seeing some pockets of some snow here that's gonna be getting in these areas, and then lake effect going on up here, um, in the Great Lakes. So what we're gonna be talking about today is this snowstorm that's gonna be impacting a lot of people down here. Um, I can't really tell y'all. I can't really show the model runs because I don't really have I don't have the models. I don't have alpha yet, so I might be getting alpha here soon, but I don't have that yet. But I'm gonna give y'all probably an accurate view of what I think or could be happening without model. sorry, without models. I think most of these areas right in here have a better chance to see any snow along this snowstorm that is going to be pushing into these areas. We're talking about that for a few, like maybe about 10 or 15 minutes. It could be over 15 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes, but I don't know. But first, we're going to talk about the European, which I've been looking at. The European has been sticking to his guns with this low that sets up right down in here and it slides off. Um, I mean, that's what we're going to be seeing today, with this. And what my view is with this system, I think most of these areas down in here, I think we'll be seeing snowfalls in these areas right in here. It could be a little bit of snowfall, could be a lot, but these areas have a good chance to see some snowfall. And then as we move into the southeast, these areas right down in here get a little closer, has a good chance of seeing snowfall. That includes some of the Florida area. Down there deep south could see that snow. So I mean that's pretty good. Um, I mean that's pretty. This is a rare setup for some people. So very rare to see this happening down here deep in the south. But getting closer with these little showers and thunderstorms for Miami and down there southern Florida. There's going to be getting into Bahamas and probably going to be a little bit of rainy and thunderstorm activity up down there. Um, very cold with this trough or this cold air that's actually spilling down and bringing cold air to all these areas in the deep south. And that's what's going to be setting up. I think what actually really is setting this system up down here in the south is this big old trough that is going to be setting in this polar vortex from the Siberian cold blast that's going to be impacting these areas, bringing some snowfall, some winter precipitation. That's very rare for the South. So something we gotta watch, and we gotta watch these little showers down here in Oklahoma. That's where we're gonna be watching probably today. That could accumulate to something. We get some heavier showers in this. So yeah, Wichita has something here. When we look at this, there is a snow line, and I think it is producing probably heavy snow, moderate to heavy snow in this area. So I think 1 to 3 inches could be possible in this area. So yeah, 1 to 3 inches is possible. And then you can tell this moisture down here getting ready, and then moving up to create this low that's going to be setting up, or the precipitation that's setting up to be our snowstorm for the south. So for this model, I really think what's going to happen here is I'll do it in the green area. This is what I'm really wanting, this is what I'm really going to see, is this low that's probably going to be doing like that because of this trough that's going to be moving this like this. It's going to bring this cold air down, and it's going to suppress this low down here. But the precipitation is actually, there's so much precipitation with this that some is lingering and causing some snow in these areas. So something we've got to watch. And I mean, really something that is gonna probably happen. I mean, now. So we're getting, I think Wednesday or Thursday is when it's supposed to happen. Um, oh no, I'm sorry. I think Tuesday night into Wednesday. Definitely tomorrow. I think it's supposed to actually impact these areas down here. They have winter storm warnings down there already. for these areas. So something we've got to watch, and something that yeah. So something we've got to really watch in that area. With heavy snowfall, moderate to heavy snowfall as possible. I think they have down there like 4 or 5 inches of snow. So something we gotta watch. So yeah. Yeah. So something we gotta watch. Um, so yeah. My bad saying that again. Sorry. So yeah, some snow that's gonna be pushing this way. Maybe some lake effect, additional snowfall accumulations, maybe in these areas that seen that snowfall yesterday, that little system that tracked up like this and brought some snow in these areas last night. I think some people got like 6 or 7 inches out of that one little minor snowstorm. I mean, pretty good, honestly, if you're really thinking about it. These areas didn't really get a whole lot of snow this year in January, and now starting to see their snow. I think they'll start seeing it though too, as we get the southeast ridge setting up. So severe weather is going to be possible in these areas right in here, and also we'll have some possibilities for these troughs that's going to be setting up kind of like this. And you're going to see winter storms probably in this area right in here. With definitely some snow, definitely in these areas right in here. Chicago, definitely going to have a good chance in February. And Boston and New York's got a really good chance for some snowstorms. And I'm not kidding with y'all. This is in February. I think this is going to be really good for y'all to see some of these systems are going to be setting up kind of like this, with this kind of like ridge, or the southeast ridge is going to be setting up like this. And these lows are going to set up, and you're going to get cold air like this coming down. So snow all the way down in these areas, and then getting into the northeast is a possibility for February. I think that's what my forecast will be saying. I think we're gonna be seeing that during February, and some of the southeast ridge should get so like south that we possibly see maybe some snowstorm activity down here, way down south in February. So that's a possibility too. But the southeast ridge is gonna be ramping up, bringing snowstorm chances all the way in this area. So something we gotta watch in February. I'll give y'all a February forecast. I might do that maybe next weekend. So yeah, the 20th, MLK Day. Happy MLK Day to y'all. I forgot to say that this morning. Happy MLK Day to all y'all. So yeah, it's the 20th. So yeah. I mean, the weather forecast for the day in these areas are going to be very cold. It's going to be very cold. I think they're going to have some nice sunny skies. I think maybe some of these areas right here. Probably some overcast, some snow showers in the south, or in the north, and some rain showers in the south. With that snow, or with that system coming up from the Gulf. I think we'll have showers first for Houston and those areas down there towards the coast. But I think we'll later on tomorrow, when we get that system actually ramping up, y'all start seeing some rain switching to snow in these areas, and it could be heavy at times. So we gotta watch that for tomorrow. So yeah, something we gotta watch. And I'll be moving up this way, and probably moving up in here and impacting with some snow in those areas. So yeah, I hope y'all like this video. I'm gonna give y'all another video probably tomorrow, as the system actually ramps up and starts to produce anything over here. But yeah, something we've got to watch for a lot of people in these areas. So yeah, snow showers up here for the Montana area. Very dry and maybe some sunny. I'm glad those wildfires are starting to kind of slow down a little bit. I think they've got it in their hands right now. They're gonna be I think pretty okay, but hopefully those don't ramp up anymore in the Los Angeles area. Very bad, and God bless them. No, that was probably hard for them. So yeah, something we gotta watch is a snowstorm's gonna be impacting these areas, and I've been watching the models saying there might be a second system getting in these areas right in here. We just gotta watch for this upcoming after the system. So hope y'all like this video. Hope y'all subscribe and comment down below. So yeah, I'll see y'all later, and have a great day.